Hello everyone, today I will show you how to free up mobile space. We'll clean the mobile RAM. First you have to come to Google Play Store and search Storage Analyzer and download. This will increase the speed and performance of the mobile. After downloading, go to app and clean cache. Then go to file category and go to other files. Then I will delete the unnecessary file. Then go to about option in setting. Go to the storage option and go down a little. Clear cache from all apps. In this way a lot of space will be free in mobile.